Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and in this guide I'm going to show you how you can save your leads when you use this plugin, free plugin, and you can of course export it to table, Excel, CSV or whatever you want in order to manage it better. Okay, so first of all, in order to be able to download a plugin that can save leads in your database, you have to log into your user admin on WordPress and go inside the dashboard right here, as you can see, on the main menu. And here you go to plugins and add a new plugin. Just search for the word Lenix. They built a plugin that can save your Elementor leads, and also, as you can see, you can export it to CSV. So just install that. It has more than 20,000 active installations, good reviews, and then just activate it. I click on that, and below here you can see that you have the new tab that's called Elementor Leads. Just click on that and you can see the list of all of your forms in your website. That means that you can export each form separately, all of the leads that got to the specific form. And as you can see, I have many forms right here on the website. So every form that has leads, I have those options to define dates, form to, and export the leads that has from those specific dates. So just for an example, I will define dates. Just for this example, I won't define anything because it's only 10 leads, and export the leads to CSV. Just click on that. It will export all of the 10 leads or how many you got on this specific form. And that's it. As you can see, you have the dates and you have the time, the name, and the mails. Specific this form doesn't have any numbers or phone numbers, so it only got the emails and the names and the dates. So every form has at least dates and email or names. And of course, if you have the form with the phone number, you can also get this data and export it to CSV. And this is how you do it. As you saw, it's very easy to export leads and save them on your WordPress database with this plugin. If you have any more questions, you can write it down on the comments below when I comment. And on the first comment, I put the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can subscribe, comment, and share. And good luck.